Friends, how are you guys doing today? You're welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time of coming across this video, please do not make it your last. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. Like, share and comment on our videos. Okay, we love you. Warm welcome to you. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know now we love you. We love and appreciate your support, and we ask that you continue being a part of this family. I love you guys. And today we are making a very yummy vegetable soup. Very yummy, like I said. So I want you guys to cook with me. Come along, let's do this. Okay, so I'll be showing the list of our ingredients. So these are the list of our ingredients for making this yummy vegetable soup. So we have our water leaf, our pumpkin leaf known as ugu, red oil, crayfish. We also have periwinkle unshelled. We have our cow skin bomo. We have our cow meat and bala fish. So these are the list of ingredients we will be needing for this soup. So let's go into the making. Our soup is ready. this soup for my good friend. She's the one I put this soup for. My very good friend. And yeah, baby for that matter. So she has been craving my soup. That's I'm going to.
Aquele que tá aqui, esse é vídeo.
The video. Yeah. Bota mesmo. Mm.